And I guess welcome. I'm Becky Menning, and I am here to help with all, well, I guess math needs for the most part. But this is primarily reaching out to Ivy Tech math students for Math 123 and project help. So I know projects in Math 123 can be a little daunting. Well, if you need a little help or you want someone to check over your work before you turn it in, I offer tutoring services that can double as project guidance. So you can check out my website at themenninggroup.com. I do have other math videos there kind of organized, and if you need something, there's a spot there for you to submit kind of a video request. So if there's a particular topic you would like, let me know. Also, there's a way there that you can set up tutoring if you would like. Or if that's a little complicated, feel free to email me directly at becky.menning@themenninggroup.com. We can talk about what does it cost for me to help you and really how soon can you get in. It's not expensive. I'm not here to try to make a ton of money off of you. I'm here to help you succeed in Math 123. Or for anybody else out there who needs math help, I tutor anything up through and including pre-calculus. So if you need help, let me know. Have a great semester, and as always, keep the math alive.